everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a home decor haul. I'm so excited to show you guys what I've been holding for the last 2 to 3 months. I've been collecting a bunch of stuff for my patio, my kitchen, and other places in the house. I want to show you guys what I got, so I'm going to just jump right into this video. If this is your first time watching, by the way, my name is Leslie and I love making videos about home decor, shop with me, a little vlog here and there, and also decorate with me. Those are fun. So be sure to like and subscribe, of course, if you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my most favorite item this time around. Well, actually, I might include something extra here on this haul. I'm not sure. I might have to divide this into two, but this is one of the items that I got. I got it at Burlington. When I saw it, I thought it was really pretty for my garden, for my backyard. And also I ended up getting 4 of them, and I have 2 in my kitchen, and also it's gonna be 2 of them in the backyard, so it kind of matches and the vibe flows. The price for this was only $12.99, and that's how it looks like. It gave me garden vibes. I saw it and I just thought it was really cute. If you look closely, the leaves are actually shaped as a heart. I'm gonna do a close-up so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I just thought it was really cute. I couldn't pass on it. The color goes perfect with my whole backyard, the color scheme. So I was super happy when I found them. You can look closely. You see they're shaped as hearts. That's so cute. And this is how the base looks. Really pretty. The next item that I got, I found it at Home Goods. I love having get-togethers, so when I saw this, I thought it was perfect for my backyard. Since you all know, I love flowers, and when I saw this little table signs, I had to have them. The price for it was $12.99, and they're just adorable. They're roses with a little base, and I just love them so much. I really like them, and I love the fact that you can place a name, and it's just gonna be super, super cute. I love having my family over, so this is gonna be perfect for like a special occasion, and I'll be doing my backyard review pretty soon, you guys. I keep saying that, but to be honest, I just want it to be perfect. I know it's not gonna be perfect, so therefore I think I'm just gonna go for it and show you guys what I have. If I plan on upgrading in the future, then I'll just do another video. But yeah, because it takes a long time to find all the pieces, and I swear I look for them even online, and sometimes I just can't find them. The other day I was looking online trying to find pillows that are for the outdoors in the color like pink blush or cream, and I couldn't find anything. So honestly, like I said, I might just show you guys what I got. And I mean, it looks beautiful, don't get me wrong, but you know how I can get sometimes. But anyways, so yeah, I just thought this was perfect, and I did see napkin rings as well on tjmax.com. I didn't purchase them back then. If I do see the napkin rings again, I will definitely purchase those. So yeah, this is my other item. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, the flowers feel so nice. Oh, it's stunning. Wow, this is so cute. Like, the detail on it is adorable. Look at that. Wow, it's gorgeous. I couldn't be any happier. Wow. Major score. If you ask me, they kind of look like cupcakes. They're just so cute. I hope you guys love them. Let me know in the comments down below if you have seen them. My hair is falling apart, you guys. Like your local TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Marshalls, as you all know, they're sister stores. Yeah, let me know. I've seen them in pink, also in red, and I also saw, what are those called? Like little cactuses. Those ones were adorable as well. But as you all know, I love me white flowers, so I had to pick them up. So the next item, I found it at Burlington, you guys, and you won't believe the price for it. So this is the lantern that I found. Take a wild guess. How much do you think I paid for it? Pause the video and comment down below. Alright, if you did that, awesome. If you didn't, that's fine. The price for this lantern was, check it out. Voila! $6.99. I picked up 3 of them, and 2 of them are in the backyard. I'm actually gonna have Diego bring them for me right now. Diego, can you please bring me the lanterns from the backyard?
Okay.
So that you guys can see them. It's a different tone. This one is a little bit darker. The other two are more like grayish. But you guys are going to love them. So let's wait for Diego.
Oh, yeah, the lantern.
Here. You want to say hi?
What's up?
That's Diego. He's my oldest. He is 8 years old. Okay, anywho. So these are the other two that I got. And as you can see, they're different. And each was $6.99 as well. I am in love, you guys. I don't know how much they retail for. I see them at HomeGoods. I think they might be a little bit more than that. I didn't bother taking the price off to see. But I love them, and they're gonna be perfect. I can't wait for you guys to see my backyard. Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay, so while I was at Burlington, I happened to stumble upon these candles, and they're actually the ones that have they're fake. They're not the real deal. They are the LED candles. I don't know if you guys have seen them before. I got them for $14.99, and it comes with a remote, 3 of them. I did not know that I had to buy batteries. I mean, I knew that I had to buy batteries, but I did not know that the size is I believe it's size C. Yeah, 2C batteries. Ugh. I ended up buying double laid. Okay, so here's an example of how this kind of candles look. I also got real ones at HomeGoods, and I'm going to show you those as well. So this is what it's supposed to look like when the batteries are in. Let me know, what do you think? Have you owned any of this type of candle before? I think it's going to be perfect for my backyard. That's the reason why I purchased them. The lady that recommended these candles to me told me that it was much easier to maintain, and also I don't have to worry about the kids being around this candle, which I have to agree. I was thinking of returning them, but now that I think about it, I think it's better for me to keep them. And it gives that effect of a real candle. And I was so surprised that they were on clearance, because at HomeGoods they were pretty pricey. I was so excited when I found them, because just earlier during the day I happened to be at HomeGoods and I purchased the real ones. Like I said, I'm going to keep all of them because I love candles, and regardless of anything, I know I'm going to use. These two right here, I got them at HomeGoods. The price for this one's worth $7.99, and I think it matches well with actually I was going to use this ones in my living room, because I have some, like, what are they called? Like candle holders that you hang on the wall right by the TV, so I'm just gonna place that. And I also happened to find these 2 little ones, and they were $6.99, so $1 less than at HomeGoods. $7.99, and it is real wax. I love the fact that it's gray. The candle is gray, and this one is just a regular candle, and it's gonna look perfect in my lanterns that I got. If you have tried this kind of candle, the LED candle, before, let me know in the comments down below if you love it, if you think it's better than the real ones. Like I said, I haven't tried them yet, but I'm excited to be getting batteries and placing them all around the house. I also found coasters. I got 2 sets of these, and the price for it was $6. This is from Marshall's. And they're just so pretty. I saw them, they were on the clearance aisle, and I was like, I have to have them. They're so sparkly, and they're just pretty. It's marble, as you can see. I hope you can see. There you go. Just so pretty. And this is on the side how it looks like. And I'll be placing them inside my house and also for my backyard. So it's going to look really pretty. I'm so excited, you guys, because I finally get to show you everything, and also I get to use it, because I was storing it. I was just waiting to have everything together. If I'm working on an area, for example, my living room, my kitchen, my bathroom, I love shopping for everything that I need. And then when the time comes around, I just place everything all at once. I don't like placing one thing and then another. I love seeing the whole transformation all at once. And that way I get the wow effect from my kids and from my husband. My husband doesn't really say much, but I can tell he enjoys it. But everyone else, when they come, they're like, oh my god, Leslie, where did you get that? Where did you... I love it. It's very rewarding knowing that I worked so hard to get everything. And when my family comes over, they enjoy it. Next item is some baby candles. And these candles I got for my table set. I'm gonna make like something really, really pretty. You guys are gonna see it soon. And I'm gonna be using this candles from HomeGoods, and it is by Richly Scents Candle, of course in the scent vanilla, because I love vanilla. And the price for this was only $2.99 at Marshall's. This is how they look like. They're teeny candles. They're bebe candles, like Leo says. So I got 3 of them, and I'm like super excited to use them, you guys. Ugh, they smell delicious. Like, this kind of candle is so cheap. See, all the Instagrammers have it, and it is super affordable. So yeah, I highly recommend this candle, you guys. I also got some real candles, and this ones I got them at HomeGoods. The price for it was $5.99. I ended up getting 4, 2 in this side and also in this side as well. And I just like them a lot. I think they smell so good. It says the scent is called Bougie. I guess it's called Bougie, you guys. Yeah, so I'll be placing them inside the lantern. Actually, I have something here. I don't know if I should show you guys. It is stunning. It was supposed to be in my backyard, but I think I'm gonna keep it in here. But then again, I have a lot of things up here. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. I told you guys it was a long haul, and I'm actually gonna do 4 more things, and it's the same thing. I noticed that I buy a lot of either 2s, 3s, or 4s. Everything in 3, 2s, 4s. I don't know. It's like a thing that I got. Okay, so let me show you guys my last item, because I have a few more things, but I think I'm just going to leave it for my next one so that you guys don't get overwhelmed with everything that I'm showing you. Guys, I saved the best for last. I cannot tell you how much I am in love with this pots that I got. It just ties everything together perfectly. I was hunting for this pots for the longest. If you follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, I talked about wanting pots. And I had some roses. I still have them. They died on me, completely died. If you watch my A Day in Leslie's Life, you saw me that I was trimming them and watering them. Leo just woke up from his nap, so we're gonna wrap it up pretty soon. Like I was saying, I found this pots at HomeGoods, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see the details. I'm going to do a close-up. But this pot is gorgeous. I feel like it's such a delicate pot, and it's really pretty. I ended up getting 4 of them. I happened to realize that I love birds, you guys. I didn't know that. That's like a new thing that I discovered of myself. I went around my house the other day, and I was cleaning and organizing. I believe it was the day before yesterday. And I stumbled upon a couple of birds that I have. And I was like, oh, that's weird. I didn't know I like birds like that. And then also the little swirling design. I love that as well. And I thought it was so funny because I didn't notice that before. I noticed that I like white flowers, and we talked about this before. When I did my bathroom decor, I ended up putting a lot of white flowers in there. And I love what somebody said on the comments. Because my husband thought it was a little too much. Somebody on the comments said, hubby, it's never too much. Flowers are never too much. And then I thought, oh my god, she is so right. But anyway, so let me show you guys the pot. Look how cute the little birds are. And it has little leaves right here. As you can see, the price for it was $14.99. And the pots are made in Portugal. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm dying to hear your thoughts on these pots. Like I said, I got 4 of them, and I'm going to be placing my roses here. Right now, they're dead. They're dead. They're straight up dead. There's no, like, they're not blooming at all. But it has a little green in there, so it's okay. Probably will come soon. I'm not sure. I'm hoping. But that is it for today's video, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about everything that I showed you? What was your favorite item? What do you think about the lanterns? That was such a great deal. Honestly, you guys, everything was my favorite. Everything. The coasters, the flowers, the candles, everything. And I love the fact that I'm buying things that I love. That's a rule that I made, and we talked about it before. If you do not love it, don't bring it into your home. Make that your rule. It's my recommendation. That's what I suggest. Make it a rule, you guys, and that way you don't end up with a bunch of things that you do not love. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know on the comments down below what was your favorite item. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye! like it when I do the videos really close or when we kind of back up a little bit. Let me know, because I noticed that I do them really close, but I like it. Let me know. Guys, remember I got this from Zara when I was pregnant with Leo. This is how it looks like. And I got this jacket. I'm gonna do a haul, so be sure to check that out so you can find out where I got my jacket. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one.